Hi guys, welcome to English Fluency 7107. Teacher Vilma here, and we are here for another class. Today we are going to do our first pronunciation class. Very nice. Let's go. Today we're going to learn about the sounds of the alphabet. Very good. Let me share here the screen. Look, it's very important that we study pronunciation. Yes, so then we're going to sound more natural. Yeah, we're going to pronounce the words correctly, because when we pronounce the words correctly, yeah, the native speakers and people in general will be able to understand us, right? In the same way that we will understand people much better, right? Particularly native speakers, right? So when you go to your first international trip, or if you've done some trips already, you know how difficult it is to understand the natives. And the reason is the errors in the pronunciation. Os problemas de pronúncia que dificultam o seu entendimento, né, dos nativos. Vamos lá? And it's so important, so important, so important. Look, sounds in English. Yeah, the alphabet in English has 26 letters. However, 44 sounds. 44 sounds. So there are 20 vowel sounds, 12 vowel sounds, and 8 deep sounds. Os ditongos, combinações de vogal com meia vogal com vogal. Certo? Nós temos em português e também no inglês. Né? It's the combination of vowels and half vowels, right? Or half vowels with vowels. And 24 consonant sounds. So the problem in English is the same vowels have different sounds. Let's check. Look at it. I put here 3 examples just to show you. Same vowels, different sounds. Okay? So look at the word apple. Apple. Right? Apple. Now, in the alphabet, how do we say this letter in the alphabet? A, B, C, right? Letter A. Apple, A. Look at the sentence here. Have a good day. Have a good day. Yeah? So, have a good day. Yeah? It's very subtle. Yeah? Bem sutil, bem leve. Às vezes você nem percebe, porque as palavras pequenas no inglês, né, a gente passa por elas rapidamente. Have a good day. Have a good day. Né? E olha aqui. Look, the simple past of the verb to see is saw. Saw. Saw também pode ser serrote, ok? Saw. Então, look. Apple. A. Have a good day. Saw. Letter A with 4 different sounds. Right? Look at here. Let's work with the letter E. Yeah? Very. Very. He. Very. They. A. Look. Another thing that is important to have a good pronunciation. Yeah? First one, not to put vowel sounds at the end, right? Only if it is I. If it ends in Y, okay, sound of E. E in Portuguese, okay? Look, welcome. Most of times, the letter E is silent in English, right? And we have lots of letters, lots of words that end in E in English, right? So look, welcome is silent because you stop here. Welcome. Okay? So again, same letter, 4 different sounds. Very, key, they, welcome. Silent E. Then I have here, let's work with the letter O. Okay? Coffee. Now look at here. Coffee. Double vowels at the end. And then it is pronounced. Okay? Coffee. But I have here ca, and then now I have do, right? Do, to do. And the number here, one, one. And here, go, go, oh. So, 4 different sounds for the letter O. Yeah? Just to give you some examples, yeah? Just to show you how important it is to work with pronunciation. Okay? So if this is your first pronunciation lesson, right, don't worry, relax, because we're going to have many lessons, right? And I am going to show you in very detail. Okay? Now, let's go to the book. Yeah? Open your books, page 7. Okay? Remember to have your books with you, your notebooks, right? Pen, pencils, rubber, and your earphones. Okay? Because most of the time we're going to be doing listenings, right? Exercício de escuta. Então, vocês vão ter uma experiência melhor com os seus fones de ouvido. Okay? Don't forget them. Very good. Yeah? Have we got the books already? Let's go there. Very good. Are you all with me on page 7? Yeah? Let's continue our pronunciation class. Exercise 3. Okay? Here, exercise 3. So we're going to study the alphabet. Yeah? The different sounds of the alphabet. And we're going to do the following. Yeah? I want you to say the groups of letters. Yeah? Say the group of letters. Come on. I want you to say aloud. Agora, em voz alta, eu quero que vocês falem, tá? Esses grupos de letras do alfabeto. Ok? Vamos lá. Go! Let's check. Yeah, look at this. The alphabet. The letters of the alphabet are pronounced with different vowel sounds. Remember, yeah? Apple, have a good day. Saw, A, ABC. Look at here. Ah. So look at the example here. S, like in egg. C, like in tree. So S, C. So it's different. So that's why you need to study the sounds. Okay? Let's see if you did well. Okay? I'm going to play here just for you to check if you pronounced the letters of the alphabet correctly. Okay? Let's go.
1.6
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H,
I, J, K, L,
M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, T,
U, V, W,
X, Y, Z.
How was it? Look. Z. Yeah. British English, Z. But if it is American English, you're going to say Z. Okay? Both are correct. Okay? Very good. So let's go down here. Yeah? Let's move on. We're going to work, yeah, with the letters of the alphabet. But I'm going to play for you to listen and repeat. Okay? Listen and repeat now.
1.6.
A, B, C, D,
E, F, G, H,
I, J, K, L,
M, N, O, P,
Q, R, S, T,
U, V, W,
X, Y, Z.
Okay. So let's move on here. Letter B. Yeah? So look at the picture. Look at the sound pictures. What are the words and vowel sounds? So we work with the vowel sounds, okay? Vowel sounds, vowel diphthongs, okay? Listen and write the words. But first, for you to understand, yeah? So they decided to create a picture for every sound. Okay? They created a picture for every sound in English. Let me show you here. Page 166. Look what you have at the back of your book. Okay? This is the sound bank. So there is a picture, you see, for every sound. So to help you understand the sounds, okay? Right. So now the first one, yeah, is the picture of a train, right? Look at here, train. And then, what is this? And what is this? What is it? What is it? What is it? Yeah, and what is it? Now, let me give you a hint, okay? A hint. Very important. Uma dica muito importante, okay? When you see here, yeah, the two dots here, that means that the sound is long, okay? Look at here, number 2. Look at here, number 6, and also number 7. The sound is long. So you're going to look at the sound pictures. What are the words and vowel sounds? Yeah? What are the words and vowel sounds? You're going to put the words here. That's the picture of a train. So, So, what is this? Picture of what? Put it here. Okay? put it here. Put it here. Yeah, complete here. And look, they show us a picture of the sound, and then they say the sound. They are isolating the sound here, né? Eles estão isolando o som. E esse som que eles estão isolando, que eles estão representando aqui, é o som que está em pink, ok? Então, ó, train, A, né? Porque nós estamos trabalhando aqui com sons de vogais, né? The vowel sounds here, right? So I'm going to play, yeah? You're going to listen and write down the words here, okay? Listen and write the words here. Let's play.
1.7. 1,
Train. A.
2, tree, E. 3,
Egg. E.
4, bike, I. 5,
Phone. O.
6, boot, oo. 7,
Car. R.
Okay. One more time. Let's go.
1.7. 1,
Train. A.
2, tree, E. 3,
Egg. E.
4, bike, I. 5,
Phone. O.
6, boot, oo. 7,
Car. R.
Okay. Let's check. Number 2. Tree, E. Number 3. Egg, E. 4. Bike, I. 5. O. Phone, O. 6. Boot, U. 7. Car, R. Very good. Very good. So now you're going to do the following. Add these letters to the correct column. Add these letters to the correct column. So I have here E, G, J, K, M, O, R, Q, X, Y. Now, look at the example here. Train, A. So A is the sound that we are working. That's the sound that was isolated. Okay? So look, A, H, J. So A, H, J. the next letter here with a similar sound? Train. A, H, J, K. Okay? So let's distribute those letters here. Okay? Let's go. Could you complete? Yeah? Let's check together. Tree, E, B, C, D, E, G, G. Look, J, 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 G. This is letter D, G. P, T, B. Okay? Egg, E, F, L, M, N. Look, M, M, N, N, N. Ok? M, você abre e fecha a boca. No N, você abre e não fecha. A língua fica no topo, né, da boca. N. Ok? S, X, Z. Ok? Remembering. Could be Z. So it would be here. Yeah? T, V, Z. Ok? Bike. I, Y. I, Y. Phone. O. Letter O. The same as zero, remember? Could be zero, right? The pronunciation of the number zero. O. Boot. U. Look. Q. U. W. Car. R. One letter. R. Okay? Let's move on. Let's see here. Now, you are going to listen and repeat. Yeah, listen and repeat. Practice saying the letters in each column, right? In each column. The letters in each column. Let's go.
1.8. 1,
train. A H J K
2,
tree, B, C, D, E, G, P, T, V,
3,
egg F L M N S X Z
4,
bike, I, Y,
5,
phone O
6,
boot, Q, U, W,
7,
car R
Okay. Look, now I want you to go to page 166. Okay? 166. The sound bank. Let me see. We worked, right, with the sound tree, E. Yeah? So here are the combinations, right? So it could be double E, E, A, E, okay? So these are the common combinations for this sound of E, which is a long sound, yeah? Feel, repeat, feel, sheep, sheep, teach, mean, she, we, he. But look at the other combinations, yeah? People, machine, key, niece, receipt, okay? These are the most commons, and you find some uncommon ones, ok? Let's repeat. Olha só. Então, eles criaram uma foto para que você identifique cada som, certo? E colocaram uma foto de algo bem comum, uma árvore, certo? E eles isolaram o som aqui em pink. Tree, E. Aqui são as letras mais comuns. Então, você vai encontrar esse som em combinações de letras, né? 2 S, um E com um A, pode ser um E sozinho, certo? São os mais comuns. E aqui são aqueles não tão comuns, mas que também tem esse som. Olha, um E com um O, um E com um Y, um A com um I, um E com um I e aqui um I sozinho. Então, esses seriam assim as exceções, tá? Por isso que a gente tem que tomar cuidado e é muito importante a gente estudar a pronúncia, certo? Para que a gente entenda isso cada vez mais. E tenha certeza que com o dia a dia e a prática, vocês vão entender isso cada vez mais. E isso é muito importante que vocês entendam, porque quando vocês forem para um dicionário monolíngue, inglês, essa fonética que você vai encontrar lá. Aprendendo isso, você vai poder pronunciar com palavra nova, certo? Olhando no dicionário. Ok? Let's go. So, car. So, far, large. Scarf, né? Scarf, o lenço que você coloca aqui no pescoço. Ó. AR. Only A. Fast. Pass. After. Okay? Remembering. In American English, it's more fast. Pass. After. Look. Oh, look at different combinations. Aunt. Laugh. Hat. What else? We saw this one. Yeah? Boot. Ooh. So double O. School. Choose. You. Use. Polluted. Or EW. Feel. New. Okay? Uncommon ones. Do. Suit. Não é sweet. Suit. Juice. Shoe. Lose. Through. Ok? Ó. Egg. É. Spell. Land. West. Send. Very. Red. Different combinations. Friendly. Not friendly. No, friendly. Weather. Sweater. Or sweater. Any. Said. Okay? There's more. You see, usual spelling, but also, okay, usual, unusual. So, train, A, change, wake, I, trainers, fail, A, Y, away, pay, but also break, state, great, overweight. Look at the combination here. All those letters, 1, 2, 3, 4 letters with one sound of A. Yeah? Weight, day, gray. Phone, O, open, hope, want, soul, O, A, coat, go, but also snow, throw, although, throw. Bike, I, quite, item, Y, shy, Y, or IG, age, might, sight, but also by, eyes, height. Okay, there's one more. Finished. Finished, we did all. Yeah, let's check it out. Have we done all the sounds? Let's go back to page 7. Let me see. I'm checking here in the book, okay? So I'm when I look to the left-hand side, looking at the book, looking at my notes. Yeah? Okay, done. Yeah? But I want to show you something very important that I want you to dedicate some time, yeah? Which is the students platform. Yeah? Let's take a new share here. Where is it? Get this. 3, yeah?
3. E. E, E, eat, week, tree,
Okay, so look, you have here all the sounds, and you have a native speakers pronounce the sounds for you. You should listen and repeat, okay? And you also have, yeah, similar sounds together. And it's very important that you observe the movement of the mouth and the movement of the mouth, of the lips, and of the tongue. Okay? Once more.
tree, E, 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 eat, week, tree,
Observe here, yeah? She says, yeah, the word in the picture, the isolated sound, and then different examples, right? Look, all long sound because you have the two dots. Eat, week, tree. Okay? Very good. See you in our next class. Be fluent with Vilma Gomes. Bye bye.